Okay, we're back. So, I rebooted this machine too, just because. Okay, clear. So let me start up screen again, and I split this in half. And where's my documentation? Desktop, LFS stuff. Okay, I need to pull up my book again. Okay, and let's SSH into our host machine. Okay, ready to go. Alright, for the new guys out there, for at least the last 3 or 4 versions, I think even as far as back, I didn't do a LFS 7.4, but I did 7.3, so 7.3, 7.5, 7.6, last 3, even I think 6.8, because I didn't do anything below 7.3 except for 6.8 and 6.2. 6.8, same problem. So last 5, okay, I was screwed up. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. Now, first things first, sudo su. Okay. We need to export LFS. It's going to equal mount LFS. Echo $LFS. Okay. Let's skim through the book here. It says host system requirements, blah blah blah. Okay. File system or hard drive. Okay. Packages. New partition. You need to mount. I want to mount verbose type ext3. That's the type of partition I threw on. ext3. Dev and the location of my hard drive was SD3 to $LFS. Okay. Let me list something out in there. List $LFS sources. Okay. Cool. So that's done. Now that we've mounted the hard drive, we need to run some programs from the LFS side. And in order to do that, we need a nice chroot, okay? But also, we need to mount our device folders and everything else too, okay? Because we can't just chroot into the machine and not have anything bound. Because when you go to say run password or change password or change ownership or whatever, you're not actually on the machine, you're still on the host OS. Okay, so we're going to do this from the machine side. So first thing is mount v bind or device folder of the host machine to $LFS dev. Mount v type dev pts dev pts to $LFS dev pts. Options. Group ID equals 5. Mode is equal to 620. Okay. Now mount vtype proc $LFS proc sys sysfs sys run tempfs to run. Okay, cool. Now I've never mounted it. I don't think we don't need to mount the shared memory. Okay. Now we need to enter chroot environment. Now remember, during our build, there was another chroot environment that we had to enter. Okay, no longer are we using the tools bin bash. Okay, so we're not going to use this first chroot. we're going to use the one all the way at the bottom. The one that it says, when, like it says here, from now on, when re-entering the chroot environment after exiting, use the following modify chroot command. That's what we're going to do. chroot $LFS user bin env -I home equals root term equals $term ps1 equals escape out u stop escape w and $ pop out space down path equals bin stop user bin stop sbin stop user sbin, okay, and bin bash login. Okay, now we're ready to rock. We're in here as root, and I'm actually going to exit this here and make it full screen so I can see clear. Okay, now we need to go into our CD into Etsy. Okay, and we need to look at some stuff here. First one is Etsy by Etsy group. Okay, root. Let's add. We're going to say LFS X OStop. We're going to add another root user, but the name is going to be called LFS, right? Okay. Now, let's do Etsy password file. Okay. We'll copy out this here, paste it, actually I screwed that up, paste it, copy this, paste it again, shore it up. Okay, I'm going to say LFS. Okay, bin bash. Okay, name of the user is root. Okay. Right, quit. And we need shadow. See, I think that jarble of crap across the top there is why we can't log in, right? Okay, right, quit. Quit. Okay, now let's say login. LFS. Password. Shit. I don't know. I don't know what the password is. We didn't set a password yet, right? I'll just error out. Okay. Now, password or user. Password LFS. Okay, now let's see if we can log in. Log in. We'll do LFS password. Same. Login root. Same. Okay, that failed. So let's say Vim Etsy shadow. Okay. How about group? Okay. Let's delete what we just did here. Group password. Okay, let's delete that as well. Okay. We can go back to the documentation here on adding a user. What we're going to do is adding LFS user. Okay. Group add. We already had an LFS user, but let's do it again. Okay. Group add LFS. User add s bin bash groups LFS make k dev null. He's only temporary LFS. Okay. Now let's give him a password. Password LFS. Should I make it long or short? I'm gonna make it short because that's the way I want it. Okay. Now, let's log in as the user LFS with the password. And now we're in. Okay? But you see here that we're not a root user. Okay, so we can't say vi etc password anymore. Okay? It's only going to be read only. And if I was to say something like pound right quit, see only read only. Okay? Exclamation, same, read only. So I can't modify anything. Okay? I don't have any control over my system. But I can log in. Okay. We don't have sudo, so we can't log in as a user and elevate our privileges. That's not going to happen. I am right now as LFS. So let me say exit. Now I'm back as the root user. I can say vi etc group. Okay. Now take this LFS user at group 1000, make it group 0. Okay, he's going to be a temporary root for me. And I'm going to say shadow I can actually, I want to delete this, so I'm going to say delete. Okay, right quit. Oh God, what the hell happened? Let's just quit. Delete that. Okay. Right quit. Okay. No, let me see. Etsy shadow. Okay, same thing. Good. Now, Etsy group. No, group's done. Shadow password. Okay. I'm going to take this LFS user right here. Okay. It's only temporary, so I'm not really going to move around too much. But let's go ahead and we'll change his ownership and permissions. We'll make him root. Okay. And that's going to be at home. What do we want his root directory to be, right? Make it root. And his home directory to be root. Same as our root user. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to delete the root user here. Right quit. Okay. So let me go to Etsy groups. Vi Etsy group. And here we have elevated the LFS user to be root, but I'm going to delete root. Okay. Actually, I should go back in. I'm going to put him at the top of the list. Okay. And paste it. Okay, so we don't have a root user, but we do have a user called LFS with root privileges. Okay. Cool. So let's say login root. It's not going to happen. Not going to happen. Okay, we need to reboot the machine is what we need to do. Reboot and get on a physical machine without being in the CH root environment. Okay. Why am I hit Control Delete? Oh, okay, that happens. Come on, error out. Okay, good. Okay, I'm saying exit, and I'm going to call on my host machine. I'm going to call reboot. Okay. And I'll see you on my handy dandy recording software. I need to get over there. Peace out.